Hello, here you can see the circular flow of income in a two-sector economy. It is a simple economy where we assume that there are only two sectors. They are the household sector and producer sector. Or we can say the household sector or consumption sector and the firms or the producer sector or investment sector. And what is happening between these two sectors we have already seen in the previous module. The factor inputs such as land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. It flows to the producer sector. By using the service of these factor inputs, the producers or firms are producing goods and services. And these goods and services produced by the firms, they flow to household. In which way? The producers are giving rent, wages, interest and profit for the factor inputs as income. This income flows to household. With that income, the household again purchases these goods and services, or we can say that they spent this income which creates expenditure. And this income spent by the households for goods and services is an income to the producers. With that income, they again produce goods and services which are consumed by the households. So this is an unending cycle. And this circular flow of income, it helps in generating the income of the whole economy. We can say national income, it is generated through this flow of production of goods and services. Thus, income is a flow concept. How is it a flow concept? When we say that the salary of a person is 20,000 rupees, the output of an industry is 20 million tons or so many rupees in value, it is not clear whether the income which is being referred to is yearly or monthly or daily income. And surely that makes a huge difference. So, income or output or profit are concepts that make a sense only when a time period is specified. These are called flows because they occur in a period of time. So, flows are defined over a period of time. And what is actually this flow concept? For that, you should understand what is a stock concept too. For example, capital goods or consumer durables, once produced, do not wear out or get consumed in a particular time period. In fact, capital goods continue to serve us through different cycles of production. The buildings or machines in a factory are irrespective of the specific time period. So these are measured over a point of time, at a point of time. So that is stock. Example again, machine in a factory which is used for production several times. It is measured at a point of time. It is a stock of the firm. But when new machines are purchased, it is addition to the stock which is measured over a period of time. So stock concept is there, but change in stock is a flow concept. So stock means it is measured at a point of time. And flow, it is measured over a period of time. And national income is a flow concept. Any economic variable which is calculated at a particular point of time is known as stock. There is no time dimension in stock variable. It is static in nature. Example, capital, labor force, wealth, money supply, water stored in a tank, etc. But flow, it is an economic variable which is calculated over a period of time. It is dynamic in nature. There is time dimension. Example, national income, saving, expenditure, interest, change in money supply, water in a river, etc. See the other examples. As we have mentioned, stock has no time dimension. It is static in nature and measured at a particular point of time. Rice stored in a godown is a stock concept. But see, flow, which is measured over a period of time, which has time dimension and which is dynamic in nature. Production of rice, that is a flow concept. But rice stored in a godown at a particular point of time is a stock. Then see, money supply is stock concept. But expenditure of money, change in money supply, it is a flow concept. Capital is a stock concept, but capital formation or investment is a flow concept. Wealth is a stock concept. It is measured at a particular point of time, but income is a flow. Monthly income, yearly income, daily income. Then, or we can say daily wages. Then water in a tank, but water in a river or water coming from a tap, it is a flow. Then bank deposit, it is a stock. It is measured at a particular point of time. But interest on capital, that is a flow concept. Here kindly understand one important point. Saving and savings. What is the difference between the two? Saving refers to an activity occurring over a period of time. It is a flow variable, whereas savings refers to something that exists at any one time. That is a stock variable. For example, savings as on 2nd May 2022. It is a stock variable. It is measured at a point of time. That is savings. Savings in the bank as on 22nd March 2022. It is a stock concept. But saving is different. Saving happens over a period of time. Monthly saving, yearly saving. It is measured over a period of time. So saving is a flow concept. Savings, it is a stock concept. In the coming modules, you will see more about saving, savings, then transfer income, current transfers, capital transfers. So many other terms and concepts will be explained in the coming modules. So now we are discussing macroeconomics, national income accounting. And before we start the calculation, we are discussing the important concepts. We will continue in the next module. Thank you.